Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to fix there was an error connecting to Apple ID server problem. So if you are facing this issue, first go to settings, check if the set automatically option under date and time is turned on or not. If the set automatically is turned off, simply turn it on, tap on 24-hour time. Now try signing into your Apple ID again to see if the problem is solved or not. If the problem persists again, do a force restart. For this, press volume up button once, down once, hold the right side key until the Apple logo appears and restart your iPhone. Now once you see the iPhone logo, leave the side button and restart it. The next fix is to try signing into your Apple ID again after the force restart. If the issue is still not resolved, try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Turn on Wi-Fi, turn off Wi-Fi, and then turn on cellular data. Turn off cellular and then turn on Wi-Fi. And if you are using a VPN, try turning it off and then try again. And if still the problem persists, check Apple server status by opening a browser and search for Apple server status. Simply open the browser, search here Apple server status, and simply check the status for your Apple. So that's it. These are the fixes. Thanks for watching. See you in next